Hi all, welcome to KTC Factory. I'm your Rani Subramanian here. Once again, I welcome you all to KTC Factory. And today I'm at the KTC warehouse. And you can look at my background. This is the entrance of the KTC warehouse. Today I'm going to take you to the entire warehouse, what all the stock is getting placed here. And these collections are going directly to the counters. And today I'm going to show you the unique varieties of sarees of specially highlighted lace border sarees. For the small occasions, it will be demanded as well as the office wear. So keep watching. Subscribe the channel for the regular updates. For keep watching to do online shopping. There's a COD available, and you domestic as well as international. We are providing you the safe and transport services. If I talk about the warehouse, this is the collections of the stock, the kurtis collections over here. And here the bunches of collections of traditional wear. The customer has been purchased of functional wear sarees, silk sarees, party wear sarees. And this is a stock you're watching here. These are the bunches of Kesaria box collections. If you want to purchase a wedding collections of sarees, you can buy this wedding collections of purchase like 30,000, 50,000 according to your requirement. And as I said, the packing is also, and the collections is being going to the billing. So this is a small trolley over here. You can see the collections, bunches of collections of kurtis, ready-made dress materials, running material of the printed catalog sarees. So I'm going to show you the varieties of printed catalog sarees. As I said, for the small occasions, these collections you can buy from 150 rupees, which you can keep at your boutique, and minimum investment 30 to 50,000 also you can buy. And I'm going to show you some samples, the pastel colors as well as the dark contrast colors. And as I said, the special lace border sarees over here, the gray color, beautiful color. You can take out the code also. You can note down the code also. White house is the code. It's a gray color combination. And this is a beautiful saree with the highlighted with a matte finishing of the golden color. So this saree, which is with blouse, you can find out. And in this, you have a color chart. I'm going to show you the color chart. Please highlight with the camera the same color. You're watching here the same color of the catalog color chart. Here is the total beautiful color. See how it's beautifully designed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 color chart. It's a white house. The Kesaria is giving you the such beautiful options of the color chart of the floral printed. If I talk about one more pattern, no, dark contrast colors some people like, which looks very attractive and stylish. Yellow. Everyone likes this yellow color. It's a beautiful floral contrasted color of pink, orange, red color. See, casually and with stylish looks. So pretty color. Darkly highlighted with a yellow lace, and this is also a variety of one more pattern of the highlighted lace border saree. These sarees which comes a lace according to the veil part and the bottom part of the saree. And this is a color chart of the same saree. I am going to show you the color chart also. This is a one more pattern. See, beautiful. You're going to get orange, gray, yellow, pink, green, and the golden color. So this is also one more pattern. If I talk about the leaf printed, which is a bold leaf printed pattern, which is a casually designed, the mehendi color concept according to a green color, mehendi color highlighted, and this is a leaf pattern. So entire saree will have a bold printed of the leaf base, and this is a one more casual unique varieties. And this is the color chart. Here also you can find out. It's beautiful color chart of brown color, maroon color, military green color, purple color, cookies color, and the Rama blue color. So such beautiful varieties you can find out, and these are all the packing also is a safe and secure. You have a one more pattern, and these collections you can easily have a margin. These varieties up to at the market you can't buy at 150 rupees. Manufacturers KTC is giving you, and you can add almost 300 rupees or the maximum margin, and you can easily sell out. See, one more color of the Rama green color, the casual printed of Gucci collections, Gucci. For this pattern, you can find out the code, and this is a golden matte finishing. And here is the catalog bunches. Every pattern, the catalog KTC is giving you. And easily you can display at your shop, even on the online e-commerce platforms also. If you're selling your clothing business, you can have every day single images. Attractive contrast color of magenta color. See, beautiful color pattern. So pink color, such a beautiful. So this is the pattern and saree, how it looks. See, this is a saree based. And there's a color chart. Black is there, orange is there, yellow is there, and Rama green is there, black is there. So 6 colors. So every color chart you will find out. And the bunch, if I talk about the bunches, the bunch is giving you the zipper package, which is very safe and secure. You can hold it. Every bunch you will find out 6 colors, 7 colors, 4 colors according to your the margin and the price list. No damages. These are for the special occasions, or these are special occasions as well as mini occasions for the office wear. It will give a unique look for the woman. So I can suggest these are special lace border sarees you can keep at your business. So for these collections, you can order at the online numbers which are displayed on the screen. COD available, and domestic and international. We provide you safe and secure services. Within 7 to 10 days around India, you will find out your goods once you're receiving. And there's a sales executive to communicate with you with the proper voice call, WhatsApp you can have, or directly you can call. You can visit once KTC, where it will be a lot of benefits for you to find out. The KTC is giving you many more women apparels like ready-made kurtis, western, bottom collections, dupattas, lehengas, bridal, semi-bridal, fancy, ready-to-wear sarees, silk sarees, traditional wear sarees, cotton, rapier cotton, daily wear, printed, Poonam sarees, all at one place you can buy. So these printed catalog sarees are very demanded in the market. So retailers, hurry up for these orders to add into your business. Is a fast moving collections. So always try to fill your business with fast moving collections with many more stock options. Then only you will get your sales, then only you will improve your business, and you will get more new customers. So keep updating with new varieties. So please visit once, which is located KTC Factory, Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building, morning 9:30 to 6:30, first floor. If you couldn't travel, please, it's okay. No issues, no worries. 24/7, we are providing you the online shopping. Let me know in the comment box which collection you really liked it, and let me know what kind of collections you are looking for to directly purchase with the manufacturer. So I will do videos according to that, and I'll share with you. So next video, I'll come up with many more business informations and the videos. So subscribe the channel, share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Keep supporting. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.